Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Welcome to this month's ProFi Box. This is August of 2019. So this is the Filament 1 ProFi Box. We're getting ready to open it up right here. I actually received it yesterday but didn't have time to do a video on it, so now I'm going to do it. I'm going to start opening the box up here. I have it the way the box is intended to open here. Looks like this is the way. Cut the tape. Cut the other side. Down the middle, done. Alright, so the box is now open. We got the packing material we can take out of here. Packing list. So according to the packing list, we got 2 spools of filament. It's got an accessory which is it says heater block holder for 3D printer nozzle. The wrench by Joshua F. Not sure who Joshua F is, but okay. And let's see, then 20% off coupon for Filament 1 Sapphire nozzle, which is very similar to the Ruby nozzle by, who is that? Olson. The Olson Ruby. So it's a sapphire instead of ruby. Both are very hard stones that I've heard a lot of issues, though I haven't personally had the issue, with the rubies cracking, which is very odd, since typically rubies and sapphires and such are used on water jet printers. It's kind of odd that they would break. But anyway, so let's see, get the first, and a small stroop waffle comes in the package too. So let's get the first thing out. The first thing we got here is the roll of, let's see, can't tell. What color is it? And I love when they don't actually mark the color on it, so I don't know which one it is. But it looks like it's the Glint Gray. This looks like the Glint Gray to me. So I got a spool of Glint Gray. Here you can see it on the camera here. On the label there is, so I can get the right label right way. Get the label right way here. There is nothing that says what it is. Unfortunately, they should mark it and put it on there, but they didn't. So Glint Gray is the first one. Set that out of the way here. Inside there is, so this is the tool holder. There's no handle though. I guess you got to print the handle. So here's the actual little parts that grab onto the block while you're trying to remove the nozzle and replace the nozzle. So I guess you got to print a handle yourself. Hopefully they have something about that. I don't see anything readily. Then inside the second spool of filament, empty box after that. The second spool of filament is the Pro Select Baby Blue, and this one, it actually has the label on it that says Pro Select Baby Blue. You can see it right there on the label. And of course it is Filament 1, like we said, Filament 1 ProFi Box. So that's the other filament. So that's the things that we got in the box this week. Amazing, there were no stickers. Usually there's always a Filament 1 sticker in the box. Here's the packing slip like we're talking about, and the 20%? Yeah, 20% off the Filament 1 Sapphire nozzle. So I'm hoping there's some kind of plans or something. Yeah, it says required 3D printed parts. See the group project. So I guess I got to go to the filament1.com/ProFi Box and go to group project and find that on their webpage, and find the project for printing the handle to go with that. So that's it. That's the ProFi Box for the month of August. And this is Build It. I hope you have a great day and have a great week. Not much else to say in this one. I'm going to do another video soon on another thing, but that's not right now. And I'll discuss that when I get there. Anyway, have a great day. Build it out.